In FeatureCAM 2015 R2, as with two-axis toolpaths, the toolpath points can now be displayed via the Output Options dialog box. This new preview function allows you to view the toolpath points to verify the desired output, helping maximize machine controller compatibility. In this example, we've got this aero component. We want to machine the two flat faces that you can see highlighted in the purple color. If I go to the part view, you can see we've already created a toolpath. If I was to go ahead and play centerline simulation, just turn off the shading, we can see the two spiral type toolpaths created like so. If I go to my results window, just check the NC code. In this case you can see I'm using a Siemens type controller. If I scroll down, we can see the length of the NC code like so. What I'm going to do is I'm going to change the distribution of these points, because what I want for my controller is to receive a constant flow of points in this case. So let's go to our 3D spiral, into the finishing tab, into milling, and in this case I'm going to select the output options. Now at the moment the default setting for this case is set to filter linear moves. What I'm going to do is I'm going to switch this over, and I'm going to switch it to be redistribute. But first of all, let's just have a quick look at the points themselves using the new preview functionality. By pressing the preview button, we can see a display of the points as they're distributed around that toolpath. So in this case I'm going to switch to be redistribute, and I'm also going to say I want to limit the linear moves, and in this case I'm going to give it a spacing or a maximum length of 0.5 of a millimeter. Again, I'm going to press the preview to help me understand what my toolpath will look like. In this case you can see the redistribution of the points to give my toolpath shapes. If I zoom in, you can see the close spacing that I've set using this maximum length. Once I'm happy, I can choose OK, accept my feature, replay my centerline simulation, and I get my toolpath like so. I can also view that as a 3D simulation to verify I'm happy with the smoothness of the toolpath and to make sure all the material that I require has been removed. Once I'm happy with that, final thing is to check my NC code and just verify this, and in this case we can see the NC code has got a lot more points and is a lot longer due to the redistribution of my toolpath data.